This is a quick video on team members. To add a team member, simply go to the top right hand side of the screen, click the drop down menu and click settings on your main account. You'll now see on the left hand side associates and permissions. So by clicking on associates, you can then add as an associate by their email address. So simply type in their email address and click add. There will then be a connected associate which you can remove if you want to. Below that is the permissions tab. So simply select the brand that you would like to give permissions to the particular associate. Click from the drop down menu who you would like to give the permission to and simply click add. Should you want to remove that associate, simply click remove and they will then be removed.